At Mobi Tyre Autocare Scotland, we're your go-to destination for expert MOTs and top-notch garage services. Our skilled mechanics are committed to keeping your vehicle in peak condition, offering pre- and post-MOT repairs to ensure a hassle-free inspection. From brake and exhaust repairs to aircon regassing and tyre checks, our professionals handle it all with precision. Choose from our 3-tiered car servicing options for comprehensive maintenance, covering everything from oil checks to wheel alignments. Count on our advanced vehicle diagnostics to identify and fix issues swiftly, whether it's engine troubles, airbag glitches or emissions faults. For reliable garage services with a commitment to quality, choose Mobi Tyre Autocare Scotland. Call us at 01563 532 119 or visit us at 6 to 12 Gatehead Road, Crosshouse, Kilmarnock, KA2 0HN. Drive with confidence. Choose Mobi Tyre Autocare Scotland.